Hi first grade friends! Today we are going to have another sound lesson. Today we are going to start working on our long vowel sounds, alright? So today we are going to start off with some sound work, alright? I am going to say the sounds in a word and you are going to blend them together. It sounds like this: ache, bake. Aim, flame. Save, save. Skate, skate. Good. If you were listening carefully, you could hear that every word I just said has an A sound in it. That is our long A sound, all right? So the words that we're going to be reading and practicing today, they all have that A sound in it. One way that we can make this long vowel sound is with an A consonant E, all right? What that's going to look like in a word is up here. If you look at this word cake, we have an A consonant E, all right? When we have this, our E stays silent and our A makes an A sound, all right? So we would read this word like this: ache, cake. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple more and we're going to do it together. Right now we have M-A-D. There is no silent E on the end of that. It's just M-A-D. So that's a short vowel sound. I would read it like this: add, mad. But as soon as I add that silent E on it, this A says A. Now the word is aid, made. Okay, again, down here, I have app. This is a short vowel sound. It only says a. I don't have my silent E at the end, so it does not say A. App, tap. But when I add my silent E, we now have ape. Remember, this E stays silent. It does not make a sound. Ape. Tape. Good. All right, one last one. Down here, we have an A. There is no E at the end, so this is a short A sound. All right, it's going to say app, cap. But as soon as I add my silent E to the end of that, this is now a long vowel sound. It now says A, ape, cape. All right, it's your turn to try some words. Over here, what we're going to do, how we're going to read these words is I'm going to give you a chance to sound it out and read it all on your own. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to say the sounds and blend it together so you can check what your work with what I'm saying. Let's make sure we're saying the same thing. Again, here I have my A and my E underlined with red to remind you that this is going to be a special long A sound, okay? So think about that as you read the word, as you think about the sounds. Blend. All right, I'm remembering that with my E at the end here, this is going to be a long A sound. Ache, take. All right, down here, I see an A, but is there an E? Do I see any E at the end? Nope. So this is going to be a short A sound. What does a short A sound like? Good. Ah. Amp, camp. Good. All right, let's look down here. I see a CK. I know what sound CK makes. What sound does it make? Good. CK says k. I see an A, but is there any E at the end? Nope, so this is also going to be a short A sound word. Sound it out. Blend. My turn. Ack. Pack. Alrighty. And up here, I have an A and I have an E. So let's remember that this is going to be a long A vowel sound. So what sound is this A going to make? Good. It's going to say A. Blend. Good. Same. Same. Here again, I have my E at the end. It's going to make the A sound a certain way. Sounds. Blend. Good. Eight. Late. Last one down here, I have my long A sound. Sounds. Blend. Alrighty. Lake. Lake. Very good job practicing your long A sound. Alrighty. Awesome. Our sight word practice for today is the word every. Every. I like to read every day. Every. My turn, read every. My turn, read every. My turn, spell E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good. All right, everyone with your finger in the air. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Awesome job. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to practice some sight words, okay? I'm going to hold it up. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to say it out loud, and then I'm going to say what the word is so you can check with me to make sure you're saying the word correctly. All right. Ready and read. Both. Read. Does. Out. Saw. Look. Have. People. Good. Again. Where? Little. Her. There. Do you remember? Every. Good job, guys. All right, we are going to finish out with some guided spelling. So I want you to think really, really hard about the sound that we learned today and how we make that sound, okay? One more time. A, consonant E, makes an A sound. All right? Think about that as you go ahead and write. Your first word is cave. 10 bats flew out of the cave. Your first word is cave. Don't forget. I'm going to read it on my own down here, sounding it out in my head. Making sure you're going back and rereading what you've written. Sound it out to yourself. One last time, making sure that you do not have a short A sound, but a long A sound, an A sound. All right? If you have cave, C-A-V-E, Don't forget, we need that E on the end. Otherwise, if you didn't write the E and you just had C-A-V, it would be calve. But I want cave. So make sure you have that E at the end. If you have that right, you can go ahead and give yourself a check mark. Your second word is gate. I keep the gate closed so my dog doesn't get out. Gate. Sounding it out. What's going to give you that A sound? Read it back to yourself. One last time to make sure you have the A sound. All right, here we go. Gate. Gate. Make sure you need that A and that E to make that A sound. All right, awesome. Your last word is a sight word, all right? So you're gonna have a little bit less time. Your last word is both. Both of my brothers love broccoli. Both. Think about how to spell both. I can't tell you to just look at the sight word wall behind me because I do not have it, but that's okay. Think about both. Both. B-O-T-H, both. If you do not spell that word correctly, that is totally okay, but you might want to take some time now to make sure you have it written down correctly, and maybe a couple times today and maybe again tomorrow. Write down the word both 5 times so that you can remember exactly how to spell it. Sight words are so helpful for our reading, and they are also very helpful for our spelling, so they're good to practice. Alrighty guys, thanks. See you soon.